Now I want to tell you what's included in this course, where I share my experience of sailing and boating across the oceans, both as crew and as a licensed captain on both sailboats and powerboats. We will primarily look at ocean-going pleasure boats capable of international travel and how to find boats that need crew. I will provide an overview of many important subjects, like boat equipment, weather and navigation, and what's needed to visit foreign ports, safety and health concerns, how to be a crew member, and a general overview on how a boat operates. I'll follow that by looking at ways to travel cheaply and ways to make money while traveling. I will say that upon completion of this course, you will have an in-depth understanding of what's required to understand boating and life at sea. Then, if you wish to dive into an ocean adventure, you will know where to gain the additional skills to safely sail a boat, maintenance issues, and understanding navigation and weather. It is also important to mention what this course is not about. And the first is that it is not a definitive guide to buying and sailing a boat, but more a getting started guide meant to be a starting point for you to explore and learn more about life at sea. It's meant to fill in the blanks and answer the many questions I've heard regarding sailing and life at sea. I will not be covering working for cruise lines, cargo ships, fishing boats, or the like, although much of what I will show you can be applied in those areas. This course will give you an introduction to boating and sailing, and is meant as an introduction to the amazing boating lifestyle and how to see the world that many people only dream about. Next up, what is a crew member?